Good evening, everyone. Is my voice clear? Am I audible? Do let me know in the chat box. Do let me know in the chat box, dear. We shall just wait for a minute and then we shall start the class. Just 1 minute and then we shall move ahead. Oof. Screen error. Beta whiteboard. It's like that only. There is a bit difference of the camera, right? One a proper DSLR camera and one a phone camera. There would be a bit of difference, but sometimes because of unavoidable situations, once in a month you get to see me on the whiteboard, right? So please deal with it today. Not every time, but today. And about the black line, I know, but you all have only told me that, ma'am, when you keep moving and talking, black line goes and comes back, right? I know the trick. So I will do this for you all the time in the class so that you don't see the black lines. Okay, so coming back to studies, and you will feel a bit problem in the whiteboard class, I know, but just a 1 day thing, dear. Just a 1 day thing, okay? And today I'm going to do something different. You know what different? First, I'm going to give you one question and then I will ask you that this question is from which chapter, okay? Let me do that thing today. I'm going to give you one question and then you will tell me that which chapter does this question relate to? Hope you give me the correct answer. Just a game for you. And if it's successful today, in every class, I'll do the same. In every class, I won't write the topic like I used to do. I will ask you that read the question and tell me which topic it is related to. And let me see who is the intelligent one to answer me that. Okay, I have some unavoidable and uninvited guests in my class. They also want to study maths. Yes, I think it's visible. The options. Yes, I'm going to this for you. Do this for you. Here you go. Answer me quickly. Hanshuman, Gahan, and Dhanvid. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 52 of you, no, 28 of you have given the correct answer and rest wrong. Oops. Okay, which chapter is this? Who will tell me? Let me check the chat box. Average. Okay. Multiplication and division. Average. Profit loss. Profit division. Unitary method. Ratio and proportion also somewhere correct. Unitary method also somewhere correct. Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you. But before telling you the chapter, first let me explain this. What you want me to do? Let me explain, or shall I tell the chapter topic? SI, wow, simple interest. Compound interest. Arey, nahi beta, so curious about the chapter. Okay, see, if you told me unitary method, correct. If you told me ratio and proportion, I will mark it as half correct because this topic is from unitary method. You can relate with it, or this topic comes under direct and inverse proportion. Direct and inverse proportion. So the name for this topic can be any two of it. The concept of both remains the same. The concept of both remains the same. Either unitary method, consider this to be the unitary method, or direct or inverse proportion. Now let me tell you how and why it is direct and inverse proportion. Unitary method, so since I think standard second or third we start doing, right? But direct and inverse proportion is a new word for you, right? New word for you. If I had digital board today, I could have used the next slide and then again back to this slide. But because of lack of option, let me explain this first and then I shall explain you what is direct and inverse proportion. Okay. And then we will go into the short tricks. Okay. See, why so many hand raises? I haven't taught anything. What happened, Sherlyn? Quickly. Litika, what happened, Litika?
Then done unitary chapter method.
We have done unitary method chapter. When?
Ma'am, we didn't done,
And
ma'am.
when I told you that we have done beta, I didn't tell you. I said just guess the chapter name. Yes, Naksh?
Ma'am, what
Yes,
is
Naksh.
unit?
Explaining it, beta. Explaining it, beta. Okay, I shall explain this, beta. This is the chapter that I have to start, and I thought that let me check your intelligence that how many of you can guess the right topic, and most of you guess the right topic, unitary method, and in unitary method also direct and inverse proportion. I would say why I shall explain you right now. Okay, just give me 2 minutes Before explaining you that, because I'm lacking the digital board today, I shall explain this question first because I have to rub the question. Okay. So let me explain this question first, and then I shall explain you about the direct and inverse proportion. See, the price of 12 packets is 240, right? 12 packets is 240. So what will be the price of one packet? Price of one packet is 240 by 12. 240 by 12. Price of 8 packets. 240 by 12 into 8. Price of one packet is 240 by 12. So price of 8 packets will be what? Price of 8 packets would be 240 by 12 into 8. Right? Now simplify it. 12 1 is 12 and 12 into 20 is 240. 20 into 8, 160. Answer. Option A. Quickly. As easy as it is. Right? So 160 will be my answer. 160 will be my answer. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Yes, Rachna. Quickly. I have to rub it. Please take the screenshot. This is not the digital board. I can show you again. Yes.
Ma'am, we can add these all options and we can get to the answer.
No, beta. Yes, Divjot. Quickly.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, will this chapter come in exam?
Yes, this is going to come in the examination. Yes, Sahashri. Pardon?
Pardon? Ma'am, can you explain it again?
See, 12 packets, rupees 240. One packet, 240 divided 12. 8 packets, 240 divided 12 into 8. So 12 and 240 simplified. I got 20. 20 into 8 is 160. Got it? Please note this down or take the screenshot quickly. Okay, now let me tell you what was it. Matthew, most of you gave me the correct answer. See, this is unitary method only, beta, but I would relate it to inverse and direct proportion. And what's that? Direct proportion means, dear, that if the cost or value, if a value of certain amount increases, the quantity also increases. If the value of certain amount decreases, the quantity also decreases. For example, if I tell you that 6 pence cost rupees 60, what will be the cost of 8 pence? So here, if the number of pence are increasing, for sure, I don't know the answer. I don't know what is the answer, but for sure, the rupees will also increase, amount will also increase, right? Whenever quantity and value, it increases, if one increases, there is the same impact on the other, it is considered to be the direct proportion, right? It is considered to be the direct proportion. If one quantity increases, the value of another quantity also increases. If one quantity decreases, suppose if I say ki 6 pence is for 60, what will be the cost of 4 pence? So I don't know what is the value, but if the quantity has decreased here, for sure the quantity will decrease here because 6 pence ka value will be more and 4 pence ka value will be less. And this is common sense. This is all about common sense. You have to think this from your common sense. That if the quantity is increasing, what will be the impact on value? Will it increase or will it decrease? So if it's increasing, it's direct. If one is increasing and other is not, I will tell you what it is. But for now, just know that if the quantity has increased and similar impact to its value, direct. If the quantity is decreased and the similar impact on the value, direct. Same impact should be on both the sides. Okay? Same impact is on both the sides. Okay, if I have written here, tell me the answer for this. I shall give you options. I hope you will tell me the correct one. Tell me the value for 8 pence. And it is very easy. I think you can see the option launching a poll for you. And I hope all of you give me the correct answer. All of you. Aditya, Lishant, and Shivansh. First three to answer me. 50 of you have given me the correct answer and rest everyone wrong. Wow. Okay, let me tell you the short trick for it. You know what's the short trick, beta? 60 pence for 6. 60 pence for 6. How many rupees for 8 pence? 60 pence for 6. So if you have written rupees in the upper part, so rupees shall be in the upper part, pence in the lower part, pence in the lower part, and then just solve it just like you do in the ratio chapter, just like you learned in the ratio chapter that we just finished in the last class. So what will it be? 60 upon 6 and this 8 shall be here. 10 into 8, 80 rupees answer. Option C. As easy and quick. This is the short trick for it. This is the short trick for it. If 60 pence for 6, rupees you have written in the upper part, take rupees in the upper part, pence in the lower part, take pence in the lower part. Just as you solve the ratio, solve like that. 60 upon 6, this 8 move to the other side. 60 by 6 into 8. Solve it, you will get 80. Yes, Rachna?
Ma'am, you are not fully visible, ma'am.
Is the board visible?
No, ma'am.
Is it black, beta?
No, ma'am. What you wrote, I can't see it fully, ma'am.
Wait a second.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see it now, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Please note this down, dear. Note this down, dear. And I'm going to give you one more question. Same type, okay? Same type I'm going to give you. Rubbing it, please take the screenshot. And this is not the digital board. So I will be not able to show you this again and again. Okay. And the question that I'm writing on board, beta, it is of RMS 2020. So in between the classes, we will also solve the questions which actually do comes in the examination. Okay. This is RMS 2020 question. And here you go. Sadhya, Kritik, Hazik, very good beta. First three to answer me. 39 of you have given me the correct answer. Rest, everyone has given me the wrong answer. So many of you. Okay, let's see beta. First, we will see that it is direct or not. Okay, first we are going to see that this question is directly proportional or not. So if 10 kg cost 250, 15 kg will cost how much? So if 10 kg say 15 kg is here, so using my common sense, I can say that if I buy 15 kg of anything, for sure, the price will also increase. The price will for sure increase. That means if 250 is for 10 kg, how much rupees is for 15 kg? Use the short trick. 250 by 10 into 15 is equal to your answer. 0 se 0 cut. Now just multiply 25 into 15. 25 into 15 you will get 375 as your answer. Multiply this 25 into 15, multiply yourself and see, you will get 375 as your answer. That's option A. Yes, Advaya. Yes, beta.
का फॉर्म कब तक भर सकता है?
Pardon?
मैम हम नवोदय का फॉर्म कब तक भर सकते हैं?
I would let you know the date, beta. I don't exactly remember. Yes, Vishal. Yes, Vishal.
Ma'am, I pressed answer B mistakenly.
Okay, no issues there. Okay. Any problem in this, anyone? No? Okay. If no, then before moving ahead in the class, I need to make an announcement. Okay. What's that announcement? I'm rubbing this. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot as I'm rubbing the board. Quickly. Okay. I'm rubbing the board now. Just a 5-minute thing, beta. Quickly. Announcement about YouTube live class. Okay, what's that YouTube live class? YouTube live class will happen tomorrow on Sunday. Okay. YouTube live class tomorrow on Sunday at 7 p.m. Right? YouTube live class is going to happen tomorrow on Sunday at 7 p.m. All of you have to join this class before the time. The link for this class you will get in the announcement section. Okay, in the announcement section you will get the link to join the class. By any reason, somehow, if you are unable to get the link, just turn on your video YouTube and search for official Shiromani Institute official account. Okay, and just go there and join the live class. You will get the link in the announcement section itself. But if anyhow you miss the link or you are not able to get that link, click on that link. You can go to the Shiromani Institute official account on the YouTube and you have to join this class 7 p.m. Okay? Yes, Vishal?
Ma'am, tomorrow I can't join because I'm going out.
That's up to you, beta. Yes, Narayani. Kangi Reddy.
Ma'am, in the Shiromani app or teachment?
Not in the Shiromani app, not in the Teachment app. Beta, on the YouTube, this class will be going live. YouTube. Okay? Yes, Sherlyn? Yes,
In
Sherlyn?
the ma'am, but in the announcement section, it was written that we can also join in teachment.
If the link is available, what I told you, beta, you have to click the link, right? You have to click the link. You cannot join in the teachment. You have to click on the link which will be provided in your app, in your announcement section. By any chance you are not able to click on that link or get that link, you can directly go to the YouTube as well and find Shiromani Institute official account. Yes, Kavya Sahi, quickly beta.
Ma'am, what is the topic of that class?
Please join the class and then you will find it. Yes, Sarvika. Sarvika.
Tomorrow is 7 to 8.
For that, everything is surprise for you. Join the class and you will find the topic, the subject, everything. Okay? Join the class and let that excitement be, right? Let that excitement be. Yes, Diksha, quickly, dear.
Class will end tomorrow.
Pardon? Yes,
Tomorrow
beta,
when the
tomorrow afternoon. It is starting at 7 p.m. I don't know the ending time. It is starting at 7 p.m. Yes, Sahil.
You and other teachers will be also there.
For that, please join the class. Yes, Omkar.
only tomorrow.
Yes, only tomorrow. Only tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So I hope this announcement is clear to you. Please be on time. Don't be late in the class. Hope you join 5-10 minutes before this starting. Okay. Before the live class goes on, please start before the time. Okay. Now we shall move ahead with our main motto of the class. That's this. Okay. Giving you one question from Sanic School 2022. Yes, it's visible. This question is from Sanic School 2022. Here you go. Okay, Charan Tej, Ritvik, Gahan, very good beta. First three to answer me. Only 28 of you have given me the correct answer. Rest, everyone has given me the wrong answer. Okay, let's see, dear. Just give me a second. I think this requires some ink. Oh, एक सेकेंड बेटा. कुछ मिलेगा. इंक गिर गया है सर. एक्चुअली इंक गिर गया है. वो इंक टूटा हुआ है सर. इंक कैसे डालो इसमें? वो तो टूटा हुआ है. हाँ, मार्कर दे दो या फिर ये दे दो. ये इंक पूरा गिर चुका है. हाँ, वो इंक वो टूटा हुआ ही है. Okay, just go for it, yeah. But it won't be visible. Wait a second, beta. Just wait a second. Have patience. तो ये ले लो. मार्कर भी खराब है. वो हटा देना सर. वो टूटा हुआ है. Okay. So the weight of 2 dozen biscuit you have to calculate if each biscuit weighs 4 gram. I can say that 4 gram is the weight of one biscuit. 4 gram is the weight of one biscuit. What will be the weight of 2 dozen? So how you will represent 2 dozen? 2 dozen won't be represented as 2. 2 dozen shall be represented as 2 into 12. Why? Because 1 dozen stands for 12, right? 1 dozen stands for 12 pieces. So 2 dozen would represent 2 into 12, that is 24. What shall be the weight of 24 pieces? That means 2 dozen. Just go for the short trick. 4 into 24 is equal to whatever weight is required. Multiply 24 by 4. How much do you get? Tell me your answer. That is option D, 96 gram. And it is that easy. Yes, Abhay? Abhay, you are not audible, beta.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, in your board there are some lines, black and white.
Beta, that is just because of the whiteboard. If I move like this, you won't see any line. Can you see? So it's just a glitch of the teachment, beta. Can't help it. Yes, Rachna?
This is direct proportion, ma'am.
Yes, this is direct proportion.
How, ma'am?
We are, because beta, if the weight of one biscuit is 4 gram, so weight of 24 biscuits, for sure, it will increase. If the number of biscuits are increasing, weight is also increasing. So it is direct proportion. Okay, Rachna?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adya?
Out.
Yes, Adya?
Yes, Adya. Ma'am, I guess there was not no ink. That's why I was not able to answer because the 96 I can see it as 46.
Okay. Got it. Might be possible, beta. Okay, anyone else? Any problem in this? I see no. Okay, just take the screenshot, everyone. Okay, let's move ahead. Let me rub this. Today we are going to do direct proportion questions more, and tomorrow I will teach you inverse proportion. Today we will practice direct proportion questions, okay? And all the questions of previous year. It's visible, yes. This one has come twice in RMS examination, this particular question. Same question twice. And you can see the questions are not that hard if you attempt it. Just you need the practice of it. Okay, here you go. Answer me. Charantej, Sadhya, and Sanskriti. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Almost 40 of you have given me the correct answer. Very good. Okay, let's see how we will do it. 1 dozen notebooks cost 252, right? So 252 for what? 1 dozen. 1 dozen don't represent one, it represents 12. So what will be the cost for 10 notebooks, right? How I know that it's direct proportion? Because when the number of notebooks are decreased, for sure the price will also decrease, right? If the numbers of notebooks will decrease, the price will also decrease. So how we will know it? 252 by 12. And in order to find the notebooks, this 10 shall be multiplied here. Short trick. Now, just divide 252 by 12. You will get 21. 21 into 10, 210. As easy and quick. Option A, answer. Option A, answer. Divide 252 by 12. You will get 21. You will get 21. Yes, Sahil Shabana.
Ma'am, tomorrow is class. You told that we will do the inverse proportion tomorrow.
Beta, my tomorrow means the next class, not in the YouTube class, okay? In the next class. Yes, Chirag, Chirag K, AN6070.
Was not visible.
Pardon,
Ma'am, the
Beta?
pole was not visible to me. Ma'am, the
Might be
pole
because
was
of the
not visible to me.
might be because of internet glitch there. Yes, Mahazini. Yes, Mahazini.
How 12 came?
1 dozen is for 12. Yes, Gahan.
Seminar class now, ma'am. Why the seminar class should be conducted, ma'am?
Similar class? I don't know. Pardon, Gahan.
Ma'am, seminar class, ma'am.
YouTube class.
Yes, ma'am.
That is a surprise for you. You will join and you will see that what importance it has. Okay. So please do join it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Anyone else? Any problem in this? Two hand raises. Yes, Danvir.
252 divide 12 and some number should come divide 10. Here it increases and here it decreases.
Beta, see, if the number of quantity, if the quantity is decreased, the value is also decreasing, right? From your common sense, you see, if you are going to buy 12 notebooks, how much you will pay? And if you will buy 10 notebooks, how much will you pay? So if you buy 12, you will pay more. If you buy 10, you will pay less. So if the notebooks in number is decreased, quantity is decreased, the value is also decreased, right, Dhanvi?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Anyone else? Any doubt in this? No? If no, then quickly I shall give you another question. Huh? Where did I leave my duster? This question is from Sanic School 2021. A mechanic earns rupees 36,000 on 9 cars. How much will he earn in 1 day if he receives 27 cars? Answer me in 4. Here you go. Charantej, Adya, Mahazini, very good beta. First three to answer me. Almost 33 of you have given me the correct answer this time. Very good, dear. What happened, Naksh? Quickly do ask. Naksh, you are not audible. Your mic is off.
Ma'am, upside it is not seeing.
First line.
Ma'am, first line it is not seeing. Yes, ma'am, now seeing.
Can you? Might be because of the placement with our whiteboard. It sometimes happens like that. Yes, Jeevan. Why did you lower down your hand, beta? Jeevan. See, more car means more salary. More car means more salary. That means I now know that this is direct proportion. I will use the short trick. What? 36,000 is for 9 cars. If I am a mechanic and I treat 9 cars, I will get 36,000. What if someday I got 27 cars? What will I do then? As simple as that. Use the short trick. 36,000 upon 9 into 27 is equal to my answer. 36. So you can easily divide it from 9. 36 divided 9 is 4 and then 3 zeros. So 4,000 into 27. Multiply it. You will get 108,000. 1,08,000. Multiply 4,000 by 27. So 27 into 4 is 108. 3 zeros. Put 3 zeros. 1,08,000 is your answer. Yes, Gandhi Reddy. What happened here?
Ma'am, what is the benefit if we know which type of question it is?
Okay, it will be benefited in the examination when you get mixed up questions. Today you are getting only the direct proportion because it is the first class and I am teaching you the direct proportion. So you feel, oh, it's so easy. We have to do this calculation. But how you will guess that it is direct proportion or indirect proportion, that is the trick. And that you shall learn in the next class, how to identify direct and indirect. That's the trick. Okay. But this today, what we learned was some different previous year questions which was related to direct proportion. In the next class, whenever it happens, we shall learn indirect proportion. Then it would be easy for you to classify that which short trick you have to use when. Okay. If done, please take the screenshot. Yes, Arav Sharma.
Institute, people are making batches and sending messages. I can't see the question properly, ma'am.
Beta, even I can't read the messages because I'm using my phone, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm on whiteboard, beta. Understand my problem. Yes, Pardev. Yes, Pardev.
Ma'am, you can explain again, please.
Yes, beta. 36,000 is earned on 9 cars. How much will you earn if you get 27 cars? More cars mean more salary. So 36,000 is for 9. What will be for 27? 36 by 9 into 27. 9, you have to divide 36,000 by 9. You will get 4,000 because 9 fours are 36 and then 3 zeros, so 4,000, and 27 into 4 is 108. 3 zeros, put it, so 1,08,000. That's it. Anyone else there? Any question? Okay. So if no, then that's it for today, dear. Thanks for joining and hope all of you join the YouTube class tomorrow on time or actually before time. Okay. So thanks for joining me. Bye everyone. Bye beta.